How'd you lose all the oil out of it? It looked like you ain't got a drop in there.
Finished giving it an oil change. I thought I tightened everything back up.
So then what do you think? It came out of the oil filter?
Please stress, do not turn it on.
Damn.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? The funny way to start the morning. Very first call out the gates. Gotta pick up this 16 Toyota Highlander. Oh boy, decided to change the oil on his own. Damn. How'd you lose all the oil out of it? It looked like you ain't got a drop in there.
Yeah, I was actually giving it an oil change. Finished giving it an oil change. I thought I tightened everything back up. The thing, turned the car on to let it cycle through. And just felt hurt. Literally heard it all splashing out.
Ooh.
And I had just get the Suburban that I was sitting in. I had just gave that one an oil change. Now I was working on this one.
But what he ended up doing though is when he changed the oil and he put the oil filter back on there, he didn't tighten the oil filter back up all the way. So then what do you think, it came out of the oil filter or the?
Exactly where it came
Yeah, the oil filter. Oh, okay. All right, so before you move it, I gotta take some pictures of it real quick. And then more than likely I'm gonna move my truck forward more.
Okay.
So then that way we can try to get it. Now I'm trying not to block off the entire aisleway. Cause my luck, every time I do that, I gotta go. I'm telling you, man, it never fails, bruh. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I always try to leave an open spot. So you taking it to a mechanic shop?
Yeah.
Somewhere you been before?
Yeah.
Are you going with, or am I just dropping it off?
I had put originally that I was gonna ride like one person in the truck.
Okay. Okay. So boy said he changed the oil on both his cars. He had changed the oil on the Suburban first, then he went to the Highlander, thought he had everything done correctly. Next thing you know, he said he went to pull out, give it a test drive, and heard all the oil just leaking out that motherfucker. Damn. Man, that's a lot of oil. All right, you wanna hop in, get it in neutral, crank that wheel hard right, and let's try to get it right behind my truck.
Hard right?
Hard right, yes sir. Let me know when you're ready. All right. Man, there's a lesson to be learned here. Don't mess with stuff unless you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, it's all good. Keep messing it up. I'm sure the shops appreciate you. All right, go ahead and put it back in park. Perfect. Trying not to bust my ass while I'm trying to push it.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, I hope you don't fall.
Yeah, man, that's why I slowed down for a second. I'm like, be my luck, man. Very first call out the yard and bam.
That was definitely me when I got down there to try to tighten it back
Yes,
up.
sir. I believe you. That's why I was trying not to join you with that.
Came in the house, she said, why is there oil all over you? I said, I don't even want to talk.
Yeah, I don't even, you know what, let's just leave it alone. I feel you. All right.
I just cut off the phone with them so they know it's on the way.
Okay, cool.
They know that there's no oil in the car, but when you get there, please stress, do not turn it on.
Yeah.
Cause you know how,
Oh, I'm gonna tell them, bro, cause you know, I ain't about doing slave labor, so I'll push this car out just cause you said there ain't no oil in it. So, you know, is there anyone specific I need to talk to or just whoever?
Frank, yeah, okay. He's the owner, he should be there. That's who answered the phone.
Okay, cool.
Do you need anything else from me at the moment?
Nah, we good. You said you going over there, right?
Yeah, I'm going over there.
So I don't even need the keys. I might be out here maybe another 10-15 minutes and I'll be on my way.
Okay.
Yep. And me as being the tow truck guy coming to get you, I appreciate you as well. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Stay forgetting this damn thing.